So we have been discussing this week Newton's 3 laws of motion, and today we hit the final one, law 3, which is that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Now, why is this important? Why does this particularly impact you and your business and life in general, is the truth. Bear in mind, if you've not seen these before, these are broadcasts. They're meant to be 5 to 10 minutes tops, just to deliver a bit of stuff, something useful that I hope will be valuable for you that you can use in your life and your business. And the interaction, if you like, happens afterwards. So if you've got any questions, drop a comment below, and the rest assured, I'll respond to the comment, give you my thoughts and feedback. So, force creates counterforce is the expression I wanted you to get solidly into your head. What Newton's third law says really is that if you push, something's going to push back. Some force will counter what you're doing or attempt to counter it. So there's always something. So for example, if you're trying to lift something up, gravity is trying to pull it back down to earth. If you are trying to push something on the ground, friction is stopping you and is pushing back. So the kind of takeaway from this is the harder you push, the harder something's going to push back. So the real kind of light bulb moment here, when I was thinking about this years and years and years ago, was that the way to move forwards is not to push harder. It's not hustle. It's not grind. Now, should you work hard? Absolutely. Should you focus and put effort in? Of course you need to. You get nothing for nothing, yeah? We need to put effort in. However, pushing harder is not the way. Removing the friction, removing the counterforce, removing the limitations, the limiters on what it is that you're doing is critical. So the learning from law 3, from the fact that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction, and we've really got to thank Newton for this, is that our understanding changes. We don't push harder. We look for the things that are blocking us, are stopping us, are slowing us down, are limiting our possibilities, and we target those things. So again, remember, D3 is all about changing your thinking. Success Engineers as an operation, an organization, as a business, exists, Simon and I, to help you get more effective with your thinking. Ask better and more effective questions, come up with better and more effective answers, and get the right solutions for the problems and the challenges that you face at whatever level of business you're at. It doesn't matter if you're the chief executive of a 5 billion euro turnover global, or you're running a £50,000 a year turnover kitchen table operation, basically from the back of your house. Makes no difference. The principles remain the same. Ask better and more effective questions, get better and more effective solutions, solve the right problems, make progress. That's all there is to it. Simple, but not easy. Simple really is. So the takeaway from today, Newton's third law of motion, force, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Force creates counterforce. Start looking not at pushing harder, but at where the limitations, where the bottlenecks, where the blocks are in your process. What's stopping you moving forward? What's impeding your progress? Go target that and diminish its effect, mitigate its impact on your business, remove the limitation. Hopefully that was useful for you. Tomorrow, I'm going to kind of do a sweep up and a wrap up of all of this. For now, I've got to go and grab myself an Uber, being carless for the day, and get myself north. So have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.